Hello guys, good morning. Christian about year of Team AHIA, helping to grow your channel and your business. So in this video, I wanna teach you how to register and have account in Absher here in Saudi Arabia. So if you still have no this account, just continue and complete this video tutorial so you'll be have this Absher account after you complete this video. So let's get into it. Alright, so I wanna share to you the step-by-step procedure how to have Absher account. Here in Saudi Arabia, we are using only my mobile. So using only my mobile, we will get registered and have this Absher account. Alright, so first thing to do is go to your web browser. I'm using now my Chrome web browser. So here in Google, just type and search Absher Registration. Okay, so you will see this link. Just click this user registration. Alright, I'm clicking and you will see this page. Okay, so in this page you need to fill up all the required information. So see, all asterisks like this red is a mandatory field, so you cannot skip this information. So just fill up your own information, right? So I will fill up my information. So all my details I will put here. After this ID number is your Ikama number. So all are here, I know, have Ikama. Okay, just put here your Ikama number. And next is your mobile number. So just put here your mobile number. Okay, then next is password confirmation. Put here your password and just repeat typing. Alright, then put here your email address. Okay, so I will use this email address. Then prepared English. Then just copy the code 9449. Then after this, just check all your information. Be sure to correct all your inputted information here. So your ID number, your Ikama ID number, your mobile number, your username, preferred username, your password, email address, then your language, your image code. Then after you filled up all this information, be sure to check this I agree. Okay, then after you check the agree, click next. Yan. Alright, successful. Then after that, just wait in your mobile phone your verification code. So already I got the confirmation code. Okay, this is the verification code I received in my mobile. I will input here, then I will click register. Alright, okay, so what's the reply? Alright, your account has been created successfully. My account now is created successfully. So I have now account in Absher. Thank you very much. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you always updated in my next videos. Bye bye.